There he is. Fresh.
Man around here. They're still rutting.
He's red, ain't he?
Look at his tarsals black, but they're still rutting good. I guess go get some ice packing. How many bags?
I'll pour it on here.
I ain't going again, back and forth. He ain't as big as that down there, is he?
No, that down there is water. All right.
He's run down from a rut.
That tag you out.
Yeah.
That mean I get shoot something.
Man, we're Sarah. Guess we'll just have to go now.
You're gonna be hunting guy. His other side of his face eat up like that.
Right. Scarred all the way around his faces. He got whooped up on. Look at his back. Right here. Let's see one whooped him.
I'll go and take it.
That's a dandy.
So you can get your knife sharp.
Yeah. Hopefully. He'll stay good for a while on you.
Oh yeah. You'll be fine with that. I'll quarter him up tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or you die taking him up to
I could take him to that other place up there. I don't know if I'm gonna do it.
had to quarter him.
I don't have to quarter him. I'd like to have him myself. I'm not gonna have him mounted.
Grind him in the hamburger meat.
Well, not all. I'd like to
Oh man, you try to mount this one.
get that other mounted.
We can do that, can't we?
I'd hang either one of them on the wall. Either good.
If I don't kill one, I'll claim this. If I don't get one this year.
Hey,
Huh?
look how much more mass he's got over here.
Little guy.
He looked bigger coming through the field.
I bet he did. What you shoot
243.
243.
First hunt with it.
this year? You piled them up with it so far, ain't you?
I killed more with it than anything.
That's a good gun.
I like it because it's so light and short.
I like that short stock when you got on all your clothes.
That way easier.
Yeah, you know, when you bundle up, a whole lot easier than a full grown. Or is for me.
I guess I need to get my truck pulled out first.
Pulled in here and got stuck.
I knew better.
You should have known better.
I didn't think it'd be that bad.